Let's take a journey into the molecular machinery that shapes your emotions, thoughts, focus, and even your resilience to stress. A place so small it escapes the naked eye, yet so powerful that even the slightest dysfunction can echo through your mind and body. This is the story of L-Methyl Folate, an unsung hero of mental health and neurological stability, a molecule often overshadowed, yet critically vital, especially for those with hidden genetic mutations. Imagine your brain as a bustling city. In this city, neurotransmitters are the messengers. They keep communication flowing. Dopamine, serotonin, norepinephrine, these are just a few of the key players. They help regulate mood, cognition, motivation, and sleep. But behind these messengers lies a complex biochemical factory, tirelessly working to synthesize them. And in this factory, there is one molecule that acts like the spark plug. Without it, the entire assembly line falters. That molecule is L-Methyl Folate. Now, folate, or vitamin B9, is something we've all heard about. It's abundant in leafy greens, fortified cereals, and dietary supplements. But here's where things get interesting. The folate you eat is not immediately usable by your brain. The MTHFR gene is responsible for producing the enzyme methylene tetrahydrofolate reductase. This enzyme is crucial for converting inactive folate into its methylated, active form. People with this mutation, especially those with the C677T or A SUN298C variants, have a reduced capacity to make L-methyl folate. In some cases, the enzyme activity can be reduced by more than 70%. So what does that mean? It means that even if these individuals consume adequate folate, much of it remains inactive, trapped in a form that the brain cannot utilize. The result is a bottleneck in the production of neurotransmitters, like serotonin and dopamine. For someone with this mutation, symptoms of depression, anxiety, fatigue, or even cognitive decline may persist. Despite taking standard antidepressants or eating a healthy diet, it's not that the machinery is broken, it's that the spark plug is missing. Enter L-methyl folate supplementation. Unlike standard folic acid, which still relies on enzymatic conversion, L-methyl folate is already in its active form. It can bypass the defective MTHFR pathway entirely, cross the blood-brain barrier, and directly support neurotransmitter synthesis. In essence, it restores the missing spark. Now let's dig a little deeper to understand how L-methyl folate influences neurotransmitter production. We need to explore a biochemical cycle known as the methylation cycle. This cycle affects not just mood, but DNA repair, detoxification, and energy metabolism. L-methyl folate donates a methyl group to homocysteine, converting it into methionine, a precursor to S-adenosylmethionine, or SAM. SAM is a universal methyl donor. It's the biochemical equivalent of currency, funding reactions all over the body, especially in the brain. It's involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters and in the maintenance of neuronal membranes. So when L-methyl folate is deficient, SAM levels drop, and when SAM drops, the production of serotonin and dopamine slows. That's why genetic testing can be helpful. It doesn't just tell you if you carry the MTHFR mutation. It helps tailor a biochemical approach to your specific needs. Remember L-Methyl Folate, the spark behind the signal, the key behind the code, the nutrient that may just be the missing link in unlocking the full potential of your brain.